During the late 18th centuries, when the value of land was at a premium state and the only place to go was with building skyscrapers, the development of steel framing made that possible. The steel building system is playing a significant role in the world's most growing and developing countries in the last few decades. Like the other fast-growing countries in the world, Bangladesh recently is experiencing the utmost modification of construction system. The Steel Building Manufacturers Association of Bangladesh, Sbma, is an organization of the Qualified Steel Building Manufacturing Company in Bangladesh, which was established in the year 2008. Sbma and its manufacturing members have worked together as partners to further its mission to conduct research, to help advance building codes and standards, and to educate the construction community. Our passion is to support a strong, sustainable steel building systems industry that meets the needs of owners and the overall society. Sbma ensures that all of its members have in-house design department that is led by a highly professional designers and detailers. We follow BNBC other codes, that is BS Eurocodes, as per client consultant requirement. We also use latest software to design and detailing of all types of steel structure. World-class fabrication facilities for cutting, fitting, welding and painting, which is using world's latest technologies and machineries. A host of CNC-based automatic machines are used for cutting, drilling, punching and fabrication. The highest standard of welding quality is ensured through a series of measures that includes the following of the AWS, American Welding Society Code, the use of MIG machines and saw machines, and above all using of high-grade imported welding consumables. This quality check is carried out throughout the period of fabrication until completion of painting. This ensures a product of the finest quality, and the difference is evident when compared. We have highly experienced erector team and lifting equipment to erect all types of steel structures. We follow standard safety rules in all the steps from the factory process up to completion of the target projects. All materials are imported from a variety of sources from Australia, China, India, Japan, Korea, Vietnam, etc. The imported plates are subjected to quality test from the supplier's factory, mill test, also before fabrication under the supervision of the QC department. At present, there are minimum 2,000 engineers working in 70 steel building companies. Furthermore, approximately 200,000 workers are working directly and indirectly in these industries. These workers are getting trained and becoming skilled manpower and going abroad. They are implementing their experience and earning a huge amount of foreign currencies for our country. After meeting the international quality of the product, we have started exporting to the following countries: Pakistan, Kuwait, Afghanistan, Mauritius. Sbma members' total yearly manufacturing capacity is about 150,000 metric tons, which fulfills our local demand, also augmenting some export gradually. Not only private sector, we are also supplying materials to multinational companies and government sectors such as LGED, PWD, DGDP, MES, ICT, etc. Steel building system is 20 to 40% more cost-effective than the other conventional building system like RCC, and it takes almost half of the time than the other building systems to build. Structural steel shows an unchanging reaction against repeated loads within the non-elastic boundary, and the building weight of steel buildings is 50% less than reinforced concrete buildings, so the earthquake force affecting the building will be reduced at the same ratio. With a steel structure building, it is comparatively easy to extend or reshape the building size, and even the resale value of the steel components always remain high as steel has an ever-growing demand in the current market scenario. This steel building sector is booming day by day and creating more and more educated and skilled employment. The present government of Bangladesh has always taken initiatives to carry forward the economic growth of Bangladesh, and we hope if the government would declare this steel building sector an export-oriented industry and remove the inequalities in tariff plan, then this sector will become a giant foreign currency earner like the ready-made garments and the shipbuilding industries. We are now and will always be committed to develop and to bring some effective change in the economy of Bangladesh.